Assalamualaikum student. Today we discuss the topic that is the rotational dynamics. In rotational dynamics, we discuss the linear and angular velocity relation. We know that the object is travel along the circular path. There exists two types of the velocity. One is the angular velocity and one is the linear velocity. This is the direction of the linear velocity. So two types of velocity exist: angular velocity and linear velocity. So here we write object travel along circular path. Two types of velocity exist. One is linear velocity that is represented by v. Second one is angular velocity that is represented by omega. First we discuss the linear velocity v. Linear velocity v measures the how the arc length s. This is linear velocity v, and the arc length s changes over time t. So we can write here v is equal to s by t. Now we discuss the angular velocity omega. Angular velocity measure how fast the central angle theta is changing over time t. So here we can write omega is equal to theta by t. That is the define the angular velocity and the linear velocity. The arc length s intercept by a central angle theta with radian measured is s is equal to r theta. We know that v is equal to s by t, so s is equal to r theta over t, that is equal to omega over t. Put it here, so v is equal to r omega. So this is the relation between linear velocity and angular velocity. This equation shows that linear velocity depend on the distance r of particle from the center of the circle. Angular velocity omega how fast an object is rotating. Last point we write that linear velocity is 0 at the center and maximum at the circumference of the circle. Angular velocity is axial vector quantity. We can find its direction by using right hand rule. This is the axis. Direction of angular velocity omega is upward. If the object is moving counterclockwise direction, angular velocity direction is upward. So here we write curl your finger in a counter clockwise direction, then thumb pointing outward along the axis. Now we take when the object is moving clockwise and the angular velocity direction is downward. So here we write curl your finger in a clockwise direction, then thumb pointing inward along the axis. That is the direction of the angular velocity. We can find it by using the right hand. Here we use the right hand rule, find the direction of the angular velocity.